Hi there everybody, it's UK independent Stampin' Up demonstrator Helzie here from slimandstylish.stampinup.net. Thank you very much for joining me today. Today I'm going to be doing you a 5 minutes card and I'm going to be using the Full of Love cling stamp set. I think this is really cute and I can't wait to get a few blended colours on it. Okay, so I'm not 100% sure which one I want to use. I keep looking at it like which one I'm going to go. This one. I can't spend all of my 5 minutes trying to choose a set, can I? I can't. But, you know, I would have a good go at doing it. So let's ink that up. Oh, card base, that would be good. 10.5 centimetre by 14.8. And I'm going to pop that directly in the middle. Ooh, pretty. Right, so colouring it in, I'm going to be using Parakeet Party. So the dark Parakeet Party on there. Just on the edge of the leaves. Now, I know what you're thinking. If you follow my 5 minute card series and you've seen that I've picked up blends, you're going to be panicking now because you're like, she never finishes her 5 minute cards when she's playing with her blends, because she plays around, she makes it all pretty, and she goes off with a million different colours. She doesn't stick to the 5 minute brief. I'm going to this time, I think. I hope. Maybe. I'm just going to grab colours today. I'm not even going to sort of like look and overthink them, which is very unusual for me. Orchid Oasis, dark on those sort of lines that Stampin' Up have nicely given us, and light around the rest of the flower. Like she's doing it. She's going slow. She's not. She's going to do it in 5 minutes. She thinks. She hopes. But as I always say, if a job's worth doing, it's worth doing it properly. So that might take a little bit more time. But I'm still sticking to my 5 minute brief today. Okay, I'm going to go with Light Pool Party on the envelope. And I'm not blending this. I'm just basically putting the one colour on. Don't forget the envelope goes at the back of the flowers because that's where the flap is, up there. Quick turnaround. Get the colour on the page. Right. It's quite nice in a way when you've used darker colours, because it didn't matter that my pool party hit my Orchid Oasis there because you weren't going to see it. Okay, over here, Flirty Flamingo. I say over here, I very much realise you can't see where I'm talking about, but my blends are in colour order. So my over at the far end of the desk, you've got my neutrals and my greys. Then next to those, you've got the pinks and the reds, which is where I've just grabbed this one from. Next to that, you've got the oranges and the yellows. Next to that, you've got the greens. Then come in this way, you've got blues and purples. So basically when I say all the way over there, it means I'm going to the far end of the desk, which is where the pinks are. And I'm just going to grab a yellowy type colour now. That's kind of in the middle of the desk. So Dark Daffodil Delight. Get them on there. And in the middle of the flower while I've got that. There we go. There you are. 4 minutes 27 seconds. So sending love your way, I think, is going to be the sentiment. And actually, that's a lie. I've got longer than that because I knit and nattered at the start before I actually started doing the card. So I have a couple seconds more as well. But either way, I'm finishing in time. So sending love your way. There we go. Oh, I like it. To make it pretty, I'm going to grab some of our brushed butterflies and I'm going to pop those flying around the envelope. So 1, 2 and 3, and then sticking it onto a card base. So I know it says I've gone over 5 minutes, but like I said, I chatted at the start. I reckon really, if you go back to where I started with this, it's been 5 minutes. Yeah, I'm allowing it. Anyway, it's quicker than last times when I played with the blends and got all distracted. So there is my card in 5 minutes, featuring the Full of Love cling stamp set from Stampin' Up. Everything I've used today is available from slimandstylish.stampinup.net. Do head over to my Instagram before you go and place any orders, because that's where you will find my most recent host code. It will be on my grid there at Slim and Stylish. Thanks for joining me today, and I will see you all again soon. Bye. I hope you've enjoyed today's project. All items that I have used on this video are available to purchase from my store, www.slimandstylish.stampinup.net. Alternatively, if you would like a copy of our catalogues, please send me an email to slimandstylish@live.co.uk or leave me a comment below and I'll get in touch with you. I upload regular content to this channel, so if you do enjoy watching my tutorials, please make sure that you have subscribed and rang the bell to get notifications when new videos go live. Thank you for joining me and have a lovely day.